sucker!
Fuck, I forgot my helmet. I was gonna bring my helmet. Did you bring a helmet?
No, I don't bring a helmet. What's up, guys? We're in Sean's tattoo shop. Summoning Tattoo.
Hello.
If you need a tattoo, got my best tattoo I've ever gotten in my life here.
We need to get you another one.
Yeah, because I only got one tattoo. But Sean killed the tattoo game, and that's why he won Best in Summit 2019. And it's Best in Summit 2020 right now.
It is right now. The voting is going on right now for 2020.
Go vote for Sean's shop. Even if you never got a tattoo here, we make YouTube videos. We get hacks. So go spam the Summoning or Summit Best in Summit link down below and get Sean Best in Summit 2 years in a row.
Yeah, you can vote from anywhere if you visited here or even haven't visited here and you just want to help support the shop and do a favor for Jonathan. All you need is an email address and a computer.
The better he does, the better we do, because then he can buy toys like electric skateboards, which we're about to go rip. So support Sean because he supports us. And you ready to go ride some skateboards?
I'm so ready. Let's do it. That should fit in my pocket.
Look at this thing. It's got lights, wheels, it's off-roading, and we're gonna take it off a jump. So I told Sean to make sure I'm not in grandma mode. He always likes to put me in grandma mode. Do I need to turn the board on? I'm figuring this out, guys. I have no idea how to run these things. I'm gonna die on this thing. I'm excited to try that one out.
What? You think you get to try this one out?
I think you just want that one because it makes you taller. All right, we're gonna start from here in Dillon and go all the way to Frisco, go to the bike park. So let's get started. This lake looks cool. We're flying up this hill. Been on this side of the bike path, so this is awesome. Starting to get some rain.
Yeah, it's cold too.
I'm warm.
No, the rain was cold.
Oh, the rain is cold, yeah. The cars kick a bunch of dirt at you. I didn't know that. All right, first one down the hill.
Ha! You go right ahead.
That would be.
I'll give you a head start.
What video are you making?
I'm making a comparison of the two, but not like a direct comparison because they're so different, but like sort of if you're on a budget, is the cheaper one worth it? Or if you think you're getting into it more, should you just go full force into the better one?
Full force, guys, always. All in. Send it. You better talk before we get soaking wet.
I can tackle this stuff easier than my drone videos because I grew up skateboarding. Don't make it go in the water.
Gotcha.
I know you're making more money now, but
sometimes you gotta scare your friend with his toys.
you planned that. That's great. That's just great.
Put the hood on to keep the hat on. Almost lost the hat. That was sketchy. So this is cool. I've lived here forever and I did not know. I'm sure when the water's low this isn't accessible.
I've lived here for 3 years and I already knew about it.
Yeah, and that this was here. The cool thing is you can park kind of by this bike path, walk over here, and then the dogs and me and Roman could swim in this part of the lake and it'd actually be a lot warmer than that part of the lake.
It's probably true. It's a lot shallower. So.
You're not supposed to swim, but never. It's water. We're gonna send it. Oh, it's got a zoomy thing?
Yeah.
For free?
Yeah, you don't gotta put a quarter in it.
That's amazing. That's weird. It's aiming right at your house. It's crazy how well this one rides through the dirt and all this stuff. It totally makes sense that this one like could literally hop curbs probably.
Pretty much.
Have you tried to go at a curb full first?
No, because like it's still, you don't want to hit the bottom because the bad full, what did you say, full first?
Full first?
Full first. Almost didn't catch that.
Ah. Sorry, Sean. Taco Bell. We're not eating a meal, we're just getting a burrito or something small because one, we got to get out of the rain. Two, I only ate 2 waffles for breakfast and waffles are just not as good as pancakes, so we gotta eat something else. Bird! Dude, this form of transportation is so cool. Oh, it's coming down. Gotta get inside Taco Bell. Ah! Just leave it right here.
No, I'm bringing it in.
Got him again. You think I'd leave your skateboard outside?
I don't know.
Gotta throw that mask on. If you guys need a mask, guys, these are linked in the description. I'm not making a profit off of them, but I will say this is the comfiest mask I've had to wear since. So, link down below. Sean wants to use this, well, I'm not doing that. He wants to use this track. Race each other. Look at all these goosen. Geese?
It's solid, it works well. However, the Evolve is just...
You're gonna get a better start, because I'm
Get your wheels right in front of them. 2, 1, go.
That one accelerates so much faster! Ah! Dude, you crushed me on that acceleration.
Oh crap.
Crushes me! So, Sean's board's at 50%, mine's at 3 lights, which is, you know what 3 lights means. And so,
that would be 75%.
And then, so, Sean's worried if we go to the bike park and try and jump it and all this stuff, he won't get back. So we're going to save the bike park on the electric skateboard for another day, but then that just means we gotta hang out again.
And ride the boards again.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll put the dirt off-road wheels on it.
Oh yeah, that would be sweet. And so we get this rip back, which wasn't bad at all.
Oh,
and we got Taco Bell. It's like a mountain board, dude. I found steps to something.
You can't lay the board.
I was gonna see that there.
Tuck it in the trees over here.
Okay, okay. Huh.
Somebody kill themselves over there?
Something happened in there. Can't tell you what happened, but it was a good time down there. So there's this gnarly hill over here. We're gonna see how because he's making like a side-by-side comparison. So we'll see how well he's climbed this gnarly hill. Climb that hill?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay. Oh, I'm catching you. I'm catching you.
That's crazy.
See ya.
Supposed to charge us.
See ya, sucker.
That's a $2,000 skateboard that got beat.
Wow! He had me at first, but I kept at it and smoked him.
That's crazy.
It's the user, not the board. Alright, so now we just gotta ride back to Sean's shop. Alright, 2 dots left. You guys know what 2 dots mean.
2 dots, huh? I'm at 23%.
So it's like the best place in Summit to get a tattoo. So with Sean being a tattoo artist, he has crazy artistic ability. And so Sean is gonna design my snowboard for this upcoming season. And it should be really sick. That I'm keeping it all secret from you guys because I want to surprise you guys. I want you guys to be super excited about it, but we're gonna talk about it for a little bit. This is the second time of us meeting, talking over the snowboard design, and it's gonna be sick. The dude definitely understands art. Also snowboards. But with that, Team Buckhouse, I hope you enjoyed our longboarding, electric longboarding
Electric skateboarding.
Electric
They don't call it
skateboarding.
electric longboarding. They just call it electric
They're definitely
skateboarding.
longboards. But it was a sick day. Did you have fun?
I had a blast.
Check Sean's video out. There's shots of me electric long skateboarding in his video. So that's linked in the description. Check out Sean's channel, and I'll probably post him in a couple days.
Mine might be next week sometime.
Yeah.
So if you watch his tomorrow or the next day,
I'm ahead
actually,
too.
it's today for you. It's not tomorrow or the next day. But whenever you watch this, give it about a week, and then mine should be out.
Yep. Other than that, Team Buckhouse, thanks for shredding with us today. We got work to do. We're gonna make it the sickest snowboard you guys have ever seen. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys
Tomorrow. Tomorrow. It's been changed.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I so do.